The cumulative delta with price indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to learn about the functionality and operation of the indicator. From the navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is running on the chart, an oscillator window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The cumulative delta with price indicator is an advanced and enhanced version of the cumulative delta indicator, which, in addition to showing the difference between buyers and sellers' strength, also displays the price movement trend in the oscillator section. Traders can easily identify the strength of buyers or sellers using this indicator. When green bars are displayed, it indicates an upward trend, and when red bars appear, it signals a downward trend and that the sellers are in control. The yellow line represents the price trend, which is shown in the oscillator section. When it is above the zero level, it indicates an upward trend, and when it falls below the zero level, it signals a downward trend. Also, when both the price line and the green bars are present in the market, we can anticipate a strong upward trend. We can also use this indicator as a divergence tool. When the histogram bars start to trend downward but there is an upward trend in the market, we can use this as a divergence and anticipate a downward trend in the market. In the settings section, under inputs, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can set the display style of the cumulative delta, which can be either histogram or line. In the next section, we can set the period for the moving average used in the calculations, which is set to 14 by default. In the next section, we can set the number of candles used to identify and display the histogram, which is set to 1000 candles by default. Finally, we can also choose the type of price value to display, which includes options such as closing price, opening price, highest price, and lowest price. Additionally, we can select the calculation method here, determining based on which of these modes the yellow lines will be displayed for us. Here I set the style to the line mode, and then I click the confirm button, so it switches from histogram mode to line mode for me. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.